Hello. I am Sihani. I am a fashion designer with a famous brand. Today I'll tell you about Bulk SMS and how I use it for my new/old clients. It has been my superpower while managing my clients. It helps me to send alerts about new collections, advertise to get new clients, let them know about delivery/offers. It has helped me with a track record of 80% incrementing business. It's super easy. You just need to set the contact list file by contacts/groups/callers, the approved template, schedule the date and time for campaign, set up link/forms/fixed string, if needed. It's my secret to success. And the benefits are just great. Few of them are: delivers instantly, offers an efficient platform, high readability, provides reliability, high conversion. You too can get yourself this great service and increase your rate of success. Visit them at https://www.cloudshope.com and get your Bulk SMS service today. Do check out their other services at their YouTube channel and at other social sites. Details about it is in the description below. You can even get a free demo of the service. You can reach them at info@cloudshope.com, 90278-90278. Cloudshope Technologies Pvt Limited, 7th floor, Express Trade Tower 1, Sector 132, Noida.